Wow!
Your frown lines and forehead wrinkles will look smoother and less noticeable with this Gua Sha facial massage. You will look and feel younger than your age. You will also get helpful tips at the end. Hi lovelies, this is Sinyoung from Lémore Beauty. For best results, do this on clean, moisturized skin with a clean Gua Sha tool. We're going to use this edge from the base, like so. A light, gentle pressure, and we're going to apply acupressure here. Nice, light to medium, and we're going to sweep all the way up and out like this, applying acupressure on your temporalis muscle. And we're going to move up a little bit and then move up a little bit higher up here like this. 2 more, same thing from the base, like so. Apply gentle acupressure, releasing the furrows here, and sweep up and out to your temples. Relax your shoulders back and down, chest up, and moving up higher here, like this, and higher up, like so. Third, from the base, apply gentle acupressure. Come back to your breath and your body and sweep up and out to your temples, and moving up and moving up here. This area might be a little bit tender or sensitive, so adjust pressure as needed. Release. Switch. We'll do the other side. Same thing from the base, like so. Apply gentle acupressure. Relax your jaws and sweep up and out to your temples here, like this. Higher up. One side might be a little bit tighter or tender, so just pay attention here. Higher up. 2 more. From the base, sweep up and apply gentle acupressure. Relax your eyes. And sweep all the way up and out to your temples. Higher up. This is great for releasing the furrows as well as the forehead lines and wrinkles. Higher up. Our temporalis muscle is pretty big as well, so this is really great for really targeting the release of the muscles here. Third, from the base, Sweep up and apply gentle acupressure. Relax your eyes. And sweep all the way up and out to your temples. Higher up, higher up. Release. Now we're going to use this edge, light to medium pressure, like this over here. Applying gentle acupressure all along our brow here and out to this area for a nice acupressure. Great for tension relief for your eyes. 2 more. This. Release the furrow here and all along our brow. And then apply acupressure. Come back to your posture. Come back to your breath. 1 more. All along your brow. And apply acupressure here, like so, this area. And release. Switch. We'll do the other side. Light to medium pressure. All along your brows. And right here, we're going to apply gentle acupressure. One side you might feel more. I'm feeling a lot more here. So just listen to your body, listen to your skin, and give love. 2 more. Applying gentle acupressure all along your brow. And apply acupressure gently for a moment here. 3rd. All along your brow, releasing and relaxing. Release. Now we're going to use that same edge for the center, like this. Light to medium pressure, releasing all the furrowing and scrunching here, like so. And keeping your skin taut, we're gonna lift it up, like so. And at the edge of your hairline, apply wiggling motion for acupressure. 2 more, like this. Gentle, light pressure as you release the fine lines and wrinkles here. Keeping it taut, we're gonna lift it all up, giving us a nice forehead lift here. One more, like this. Going back and forth, gentle, light pressure. Keep it taut and lift it all the way up, smoothing our forehead lines and wrinkles. You will look and feel younger than your age. Release. Now we're going to use this edge to smooth and lift it all up. Light to medium pressure, starting from the center here, like this. Place it like so, and lift it all up and wiggle. The middle, lift it all up and wiggle here. And the outer layer, like this, and wiggle. Great for brow lift and forehead lift. Second, from the middle, like so. Middle, outer, third, from the center, lifting it all up and wiggle for tension relief and acupressure benefits. Middle, this will also help you look more awake and brighter. And outer, release. Switch, we'll do the other side, same thing, light to medium pressure from the center, like so. Middle, outer, second, lift it all up, counteract the effects of gravity. Middle, and also counteract the effects of aging with sagging. Outer, and third, from the center, lifting it all up here and releasing tension. Middle, lift it up. And the outer, lifting it all up. Also great for lifting your eye corners. Release. Now we're going to use that same edge for lymphatic drainage, like this, right behind your ear, and sweep down, all the way down. And second, sweep down towards the middle here. Third, sweep down and release down your shoulders. Switch, same thing, right behind your ear, and sweep down. And the second, towards the middle. Third, Sweep down and release on your shoulders here. Release. Excellent work. Do this routine once a day in the morning or in the evening, and you will notice positive results. Others will notice too. Here's some helpful tips to reduce frown lines and forehead wrinkles. 1. Wear sun protected clothing on top of topical SPF to prevent premature skin aging. 2. Wear sunglasses to prevent squinting in the sun. 3. Relax your face throughout the day. Avoid frowning, furrowing, scrunching, and smile more throughout the day. These tips will also help your cosmetic treatments like Botox last better if you do get them. If you found this video helpful, check out our face massages and exercises playlist, as well as our ASMR playlist. Much love and take care.